For many seafarers, being away from home is the hardest part of the job. But thanks to technology and creativity, staying connected with family is easier than ever. On modern vessels, Wi-Fi and satellite internet allow seafarers to make video calls, send messages, and share photos instantly. Even a short call at sea can bring comfort and closeness, no matter the distance. Not every ship has constant internet. That's when traditional methods matter. Seafarers often carry family photos, letters, or small gifts from home to feel connected during long voyages. Some even keep journals to share stories once they return. Connection isn't only about technology. It's about emotional support. Families send updates, celebrate milestones online, and remind seafarers that they are missed and loved. Meanwhile, crew members on board form their own second family, sharing meals and supporting each other through tough days. Life at sea is a sacrifice, but staying connected makes the distance feel shorter. For every seafarer out there, each message, call, or smile from home is a reminder of why they sail.